Robotic process automation gives us an opportunity to rethink all the tedious keyboard clicks and password entries of modern life. For example, a developer may be required to log into a secure intranet site every day, many times a day if he or she steps away from their workstation. Using an RPA mode known as attended automation, the developer could double-click a launcher, which would open the URL, pull from a credential vault all the passwords and usernames required for entry into the secure portal, all with just a double click. Let's watch as it takes over my PC. I've got the launcher opened here, and I will double click on it. And now it is launching the browser, pulling from the credential vault the multi-step passwords and authentication process, and applying them in real time. And now I've been granted access to my work portal, and I can start my day. If you'd like to know how to build an attended bot, simply go to the IBM RPA recipe known as Attended Bots. You'll find the link to the video in this video description.